Ever felt like you're drowning in to-do lists and scattered project details? Welcome to the club. That's where project management tools come in, promising to be the organizational superheroes we all crave. But with a seemingly endless list of options, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. Today, we're diving deep into ClickUp, a project management platform rapidly gaining traction. It boasts a robust feature set, claiming to be the one-stop shop for all your project needs. But with all this power comes a question: how much is ClickUp actually worth? Before we dissect the dollar signs, let's get a feel for ClickUp. Imagine a platform that seamlessly blends task management, team collaboration, communication channels, and even goal setting. ClickUp throws all that and more into a customizable workspace, aiming to keep you and your team on the same page. Sounds impressive, right? Well, it certainly has captured the attention of users and investors alike. ClickUp has seen explosive growth, boasting millions of users worldwide. But with great popularity comes the inevitable question: is ClickUp a budget-friendly option, or is it a premium service with a hefty price tag? The answer, like most things in life, is it depends. ClickUp offers a tiered pricing structure, catering to individual needs and team sizes. Let's break down the options. The free forever plan. This might surprise you, but ClickUp offers a surprisingly robust free plan. It allows for unlimited users, tasks, and lists. Is a project manager's dream come true, at least on the surface. However, there are limitations. Storage space is capped, and you miss out on some advanced features like custom fields and automation. Paid plans. ClickUp offers several paid plans, each unlocking additional features. These plans range from the unlimited plan at $5 per user per month, all the way up to the enterprise plan with custom pricing. As you climb the pricing ladder, you gain access to perks like increased storage, advanced reporting, and enhanced security features. So here's the crux of the matter. ClickUp's worth depends on your specific needs. For individual users or small teams with basic project needs, the free forever plan might be a fantastic option. It offers a ton of functionality without breaking the bank. However, as your team grows or your projects become more complex, the limitations of the free plan become apparent. Upgrading to a paid plan unlocks the full potential of ClickUp, but that comes with a cost. Ultimately, the value proposition boils down to how much you value ClickUp's advanced features and their impact on your workflows. Here's a tip: ClickUp offers a generous free trial for their paid plans. Take advantage of it, explore the features, and see if the upgrade justifies the cost for your specific needs. Remember, the most expensive software is the one that doesn't meet your needs. ClickUp offers a compelling solution, but its worth hinges on how effectively it streamlines your projects and boosts your team's productivity. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.